Meaning of Gideon Bible.
Gideon Bible.
Gideon Bible.
Gideon Bible.
Gideon Bible. The Gideon Bible is a version of the Christian Bible that is distributed by an organization called the Gideons International. The organization was founded in 1899 and it is dedicated to promoting the spread of Christianity around the world. The Gideon Bible contains both the Old and New Testaments, along with a few other extras, and it is available for free in many hotels, motels, and other lodging establishments. The Gideons International have distributed millions of copies of the Bible over the years, making it one of the most widely distributed versions of the Christian Holy Book.